Hello everybody, welcome to the Kombucha Lab video about file names and file types. So this is a picture of a page in your lab manual. It is page 59 in spring 2024. And the reason that we have this page and this video is to make sure that you are able to get all of the points that you plan to get. And so I don't know much you know about computer file names, but they have two parts. The file name, which is like I am a file here, and then after the period, after the last period, whatever is the ending is called the file extension. The file extension can also be called the file type. So if you're saving a PDF, it's going to have a file name and it's going to be .pdf. If you have somehow saved something with multiple periods, the last period is the important one. So even though this one says I am a file .docx, which would make you think it was a Word document, the last period is .pdf, so it's a PDF. Okay? This table here shows you which file type you will need to use for each thing that you do. So anytime that you are uploading a text document, then that document needs to be a PDF. Text documents do not transfer across platforms very well. And so if you have made your document in Pages, but your instructor has a PC and they use Microsoft Office, they will not be able to open your assignment and thus cannot give you points. And so any kind of text document must be saved as a PDF. Excel documents like spreadsheets must be saved and uploaded as .xlsx. Pictures can be any picture file type. So depending on your phone or tablet, that could be HEIC, JPG, GIF, or PNG. Any picture file type is fine. Your poster you will upload as a PDF to Moodle and as a PowerPoint to the OneDrive folder. So it is really, really, really important that you upload things the way that they are supposed to be. And so every week, let me take us down here to week 2. No, not this week. Let's try week 3. Week 3. Okay, perfect. And so when you have stuff to upload on Moodle, it will tell you, upload with the file name, and it will tell you what file name to use, and then it will tell you what file type to use. Okay, so obviously you will not type last name, first name. So if I was doing it, I would type plymail Ruth _ week 3 prelab.xlsx, and I would upload it. One of the goals for this lab, right, is like read and follow directions, because this is an important life goal. Like, we're not just trying to give you a hard time here. When you apply for professional school or jobs or whatever, like, you need to have legitimate skills in read and follow directions. And so we're practicing those in this lab. And so your file needs to be this. It needs to be named whatever is specified here, except personalized for your name. And then it needs to be this file type. If you upload something that says week 3 prelab and does not have your name, no points for you. If you upload, Smith John _ week 3 prelab.numbers, no points for you. And so you must very specifically follow the file name and file type directions in order for your thing to be graded. It doesn't even get graded. You just automatically get no points if you don't name it correctly. So if you name it correctly, then it gets opened and read, and then you can get points. So it's really, really, really important that you follow the directions. So here's another example. Person A for the notebook has to submit the flowchart on Moodle at least an hour before lab. And the flowchart must be called last name, first name, plan week 3, and must be PDF. So if you just call it week 3 flowchart, it does not get opened. You get no points. If you upload it as a picture, it does not get opened. You get no points. And so please, please, please follow these directions so that your file can be opened and graded and you can get points.